Today, I would like to share with you a tutorial on how to create AI-generated videos using text-to-video AI tools. We will explore 3 different AI video generator tools and discuss their features. Let's begin. 01 Runway ML version 2 AI video generator. Runway ML is a paid AI tool that offers 120 seconds of free credits for new accounts. To get started, visit the Runway ML Gen 2 website and click the Try Now button. You can register using your email, Google, or Apple account. Once you have created an account, navigate to the Generate Videos menu in your account dashboard and select the Gen 2 option. Now, it's time to enter your prompt. For instance, let's ask the AI tool to generate cinematic aerial video footage of a futuristic alien planet. You can further customize the video settings by clicking the Settings button, enabling features like interpolation for a smoother result. However, please note that options such as upscaling and removing watermarks are exclusive to the paid version. Currently, Gen 2 supports a maximum video duration of 4 seconds. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button to initiate the AI video generation process. Once the video is ready, you can download it by clicking the Download button. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can click the Generate button again to instruct the AI tool to create another video. Let's now try asking the AI tool to generate a video depicting an F-35 fighter jet and UFO dogfight scene. 02 Reemix Co AI video generator. Reemix Co is a free AI tool that doesn't require registration to use its AI video generator. To generate a video, simply type your prompt and click the Create button. The AI tool will then generate the desired video, and you can view the result. 03 Genmo AI video generator. Genmo is another AI tool similar to Kaiber AI but with additional features. It is a paid tool, however, it offers free daily credits. To use Genmo, you need to create a Genmo account using your Google or Discord account. Start by clicking Login to create your account. Enter your prompt, select the desired aspect ratio, and click Generate Image to generate the first image frame for your AI video. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the image to proceed or click Generate to generate another image. In the second step, you can further customize your AI video by entering additional prompts, excluding objects, and adding captions. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Goodbye.